Today we're going to solve for x in a new and exciting way because someone left a comment and asked, bum, 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 how do we solve something like this? So today we're going to go through this problem and learn how to solve and find x when things look like this. Let's get started.
The first thing when we see something like this, we know we need to get x by itself. So what we need to do is get rid of this 7. This 7 is making this way too complicated. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by 7. So we know how to do it on this side. But when we look here, when we say multiply both sides by 7, what we mean over here is that it's just going to cancel this 7 out. We basically are just getting rid of this 7 and then multiplying over here. And would you look at that? We know how to do these. We've been doing these kind of equations already. We got to get 4x by itself. We have a subtract 4 right here. What does that mean? We do the opposite. We're going to add 4. So that just cancels this out and we add 4 to our answer. 28 plus 4 is 32. We now have 4x equals 32. Let's get this x by itself. Since it's multiplying by 4, we're going to divide this side by 4 to cancel it out. Goodbye, 4. We have the x by itself. What does that mean? We got to do the same thing over here. Divide by 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Okay, I think you got it. Now let's try another example here. The first thing we want to get rid of is this division symbol because that's what's making this problem look complicated. So to get rid of this, we multiply by 2. And remember, this is just to cancel that out. And then we'll multiply this by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Now we have 4x minus 8 equals 12. We know how to do these. Minus 8, that means we add 8 to both sides. That just cancels that out. 12 plus 8 is 20. And we just bring that 4x back down. Now we want to get the x by itself. We see 4x, it's basically saying 4 times x. So let's do the opposite. We're going to divide. So by dividing by 4, we just get rid of that. That means we have to divide this 20 by 4. We have x equals, how many times does 4 go into 20? If you said 5, you are right. And there you go. There is our answer. Let's try one more here. Sometimes when I say, oh, we need to multiply both sides by 3, it might get confusing because you're like, how do I multiply 3x plus 6 times 3? No, no, no. That's not what it means. It just means this 3 right here because that's how we get rid of it. And then we just have to even out this side here. So let's bring this down. Now we have 3x plus 6 equals, what's 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, now we have add 6 right here. That means, how do we get rid of that? Subtract 6. Let's cancel that out. It's gone. But we have to make sure we subtract 6 over here. So we'll have 18. We bring down our 3x. Okay, we've seen these before. 3x is kind of like saying 3 times x, so we're going to divide by 3. A goodbye 3, but we have to make sure we divide this side by 3. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Bring down our x, so x equals 6. Nicely done.
There we have it. We solved for x. That was really fun. Keep your math problems coming in the comments. That is fun for me to solve them and work through them with you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.